Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy that you could join us today. We have a lesson today about rhyming words. Before we begin, can you say bonjour, Ananas, so she can join us? Bonjour, Ananas. A little bit louder. Bonjour, Ananas. And there she is. Anana is a friend of our classroom, and she's going to help us learn our rhymes today. Are you ready? Okay, let's choose a color. On va choisir une couleur for our pointer. Can you repeat the colors? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. On va demander aux amis, what color would you like? Ah, rose, ok, on va choisir le rose aujourd'hui. This series is called French with Ananas, lesson 3.6 E sound, leçon 3.6 son E. So in today's lesson, my friends, we're learning about rhyming words. Do you know what a rhyming word is? Correct, they are two words that have the same sound at the end. Just like no and go. They are rhyming words because they end with the O sound. And just like hi and bye, they are rhyming words because they end in the I sound. Now let's see if we can find some words today that rhyme. Let's go. Oh, Anana. My friends at home, do you remember how to pronounce these words? Palmier, panier. Palmier, panier. Do you think they rhyme? Anana, what do you think? Oui, Anana says oui. Well, I hear that they end in the sound EA over here and EA. So palmier and panier are rhyming words. Great start, les amis. Keep going. Good job. Oh, Anana, qu'est-ce que c'est? Tapis, Anana. Oh, well, she always gets excited when she sees the word Anana because, of course, she is an Anana. Do these words rhyme together, do you think? Tapis, Anana. What do you think, Anana? She is correct, and you are correct at home because Anana ends in the A sound and tapis ends in the E sound. So tapis, Anana are not rhyming words. Let's move along. Oh, two more words. Tapis, ski. Tapis, ski. Do you think they're rhyming words? What does Ananas say? Oui, you are correct. Tapis and ski are rhyming words. Tapis rime avec ski. Good job. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ski? Do you remember how to say this fruit? Tangerine. Tangerine. Ski, tangerine. What do you think, Anana? You are correct. No, they don't have the same end sound. In et I. Not the same. Ski et tangerine ne riment pas. They are not rhyming words. Oh, what are these two words? Ni et canard. Ni, canard. Anana, oui, no? No, correct. Ar does not rhyme with I. So ni and canard ne riment pas. They are not rhyming words. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Wapiti, biscuit. Wapiti, biscuit. Anana, oui, no? Oh, oui. If you said yes at your house, you are correct. E is the end sound and E is the end sound here. So wapiti, biscuit. And remember, my friends, from wherever you're watching, if you're from home, from school, from the park, from the pool, and remember to try and repeat these words out loud, because when you repeat them out loud, you learn much faster. Wapiti, biscuit. Good job. Let's try again. Wapiti, biscuit. They are rhyming together. Bravo. Oh, do you remember how this word is pronounced? Kiwi. Good for you. Bravo. Kiwi. Khadi. Khadi. Ananas, oui, non, oui. Ananas dit oui. They both end in the E sound. Khadi, kiwi, et radi riment ensemble. They rhyme together. Kiwi, khadi. Bravo. Oh, qu'est-ce que... Oh, ananas. Hmm. Ananas, what do all these words have in common? Do you know, my friends? What is the same about all these words? Let's say them together and see if we can figure it out. Tapis, biscuit, ski, kiwi, ni, khadi, wapiti, celery. Oh, did you figure it out? They're all rhyming words. They all end in the E sound. Yay! Bravo! That was excellent. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Une question, it's a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Dans mon sac. Ah non, non, on va aller voir dans le sac. Voici mon sac. Sac. What's inside? Dans le sac. Oh, on va ouvrir le sac. On va voir. Anna, did you want to take a look? You could put your hand in there. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Oh, les amis, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Regarde. Oh, Anna. Oh, I think she's going to try and take one. Anna, these are delicious. Do you remember what they're called? Biscuit. Des biscuits. I think Madame's going to stop for a little snack. A snack is called une collation. Je vais manger des biscuits pour ma collation. My friends, I had a fun time learning all about rhymes with you today. I hope you had a great time, and I hope to see you in our next lesson. Au revoir, les amis.